Welcome to Mathematical Methods number 1 for semester 1 MSA Physics. And today we see the class MM53 orthogonal 3 groups. Orthogonal 3 groups is the topic that we see today for MSA Physics first year Mathematical Methods in Physics 1. Orthogonal group, in short we write as O3 group, its class notes. And what we see definition of O3 group. O3 group എന്താണെന്ന് ആദ്യം പറയാം. The orthogonal group in 3 dimensions, O3 group. The orthogonal group in 3 dimensions denoted by O3 is the group of all real 3x3 matrices A such that ATA is equal to I3. The orthogonal group in 3 dimensions denoted by O3 is the group of all real 3x3 matrices A such that A transpose A is equal to I3. അപ്പോൾ ഓർത്തോഗണൽ ഗ്രൂപ്പ് 3 ഡയമെൻഷനിൽ നമ്മൾ O3 എന്ന് എഴുതുന്നത് അതൊരു 3x3 3x3 മെട്രിക്സാണ്. 3 റോ 3 കോളമുള്ള മെട്രിക്സാണ്. എ എന്ന് റെപ്രസെൻ്റ് ചെയ്യാം. അങ്ങനെയാണെങ്കിൽ അതിൻ്റെ ട്രാൻസ്പോസിൻ്റെയും പ്രോഡക്റ്റ് I3 ആയിരിക്കും. I3 is a unitary matrix. Equivalently, we can write like this. O3 is equal to A belongs to GL3R, the real number space, such that A transpose is equal to A inverse, A raised to minus 1. The equivalent definition is O3 is equal to A belongs to GL3R, A transpose equal to A inverse. And we can see the properties of O3 group. Closure property. If A comma B belongs to O3, if A and B are elements of O3, then A into B, AB belongs to O3. Identity. The identity matrix I3, for identity matrix, the determinant is 1. The identity matrix I3 is an element of O3. I3 belongs to O3. Inverse. If A belongs to O3, then A inverse is equal to transpose belongs to O3. These are the important properties. Associativity. Matrix multiplication is associative. This is applicable to matrix. So here O3 group matrices that obey that has associative property. Since this property is satisfied, O3 is a group. We say O3 is a group. Determinant conditions. What are the determinant conditions of O3 group? For any matrix A belongs to O3, determinant A transpose A is equal to determinant I3 is equal to that gives determinant A square equal to 1. That is determinant A. Determinant A square is 1, therefore determinant A, dta is equal to plus or minus 1. Therefore, O3 splits into two disjoint sets. Since dta equal to plus or minus 1, O3 group splits into two disjoint sets. Special orthogonal group SO3. Now comes special orthogonal group SO3. SO3 is equal to A belongs to O3, determinant A is equal to 1. Improper orthogonal group. Special orthogonal group first one and improper orthogonal group. A belongs to O3 such that determinant A is equal to minus 1. Since dta has two values plus and minus 1, we define two subgroups, namely special orthogonal group SO3 and inverse orthogonal group. SO3 is equal to A belongs to O3, determinant such that determinant A is equal to 1. Improper orthogonal group A belongs to O3 such that determinant A is equal to minus 1. And what is the geometric meaning of this? O3 consists of all linear transformations of R cubed that preserve O3 consists of all linear transformations in R cubed that preserve length, that is, its magnitude, norms, angles, inner product, orientation if dit A is equal to plus 1, or orientation reversal if dit A is equal to minus 1. It is applied in physics and geometry. The O3 group is applied in physics and geometry. We see in many places this O3 group in physics and geometry. SO3 is equal to rotation group in 3D. O3 full symmetry group of this 3D Euclidean space. O3 is equal to full symmetry group of the 3D Euclidean space. Examples of O3 matrix, O3 group. Identity matrix, I is equal to, this is a 3 by 3 matrix number. O3 group is a 3 by 3 matrix. Identity matrix, I is equal to 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. That belongs to SO3. Rotation about z-axis by angle theta. Angle theta. R z theta, that is cos theta minus sin theta cos theta. The first row is cos theta minus sin theta 0. Second row is sin theta cos theta 0. And the third row is 0, 0, 1. That also belongs to SO3. Now reflection across the xy plane. Reflection across the xy plane. M is equal to 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, minus 1. Dit M is equal to minus 1, which gives M belongs to O3 bar SO3. Now see subgroups. SO3, that is rotations determinant equal to 1. Finite subgroups of SO3, symmetry groups of polyhedra. Symmetry groups of polyhedra. Example, tetrahedral, octahedral, icosahedral. Then comes reflection groups, dihedral symmetries in 3D. Important notes. What are the important notes we see in O3 group? O3 is a Lie group, that is, it satisfies Lie algebra. O3 is a Lie group, continuous group of dimension 3. SO3 is connected. O3 has two connected components. SO3 is closely related to the special unitary group SU2. SU2 we have seen previously. SU2 നമ്മൾ നേരത്തെ കണ്ടതാണ്. Via a 2-to-1 covering map. Summary of O3 group. In the orthogonal group, O3 is the group of all 3D transformations that preserve lengths and angles. It includes both rotations. SO3 are reflections determinant equal to minus 1. It plays a central role in geometry, physics, and crystallography. These are the important properties of O3 group. What are the properties? ഈ O3 ഗ്രൂപ്പിൻ്റെ പ്രധാനപ്പെട്ട പ്രോപ്പർട്ടികൾ നമ്മൾ സമ്മറൈസ് ചെയ്താൽ ഇങ്ങനെ ഇരിക്കും. The orthogonal group O3 is the group of all 3D transformations that preserve lengths and angles. It includes both rotations, SO3, and reflections determined equal to minus 1. It plays a central role in geometry, physics, and crystallography. These are the important questions. Define O3 group, give its properties. Give a property, give its properties. Give the determinant conditions of O3 group. Explain the geometrical meaning of O3 group. Question number 4. Give examples of O3 group. Number 6. What are additional event? What are SO3 groups? What are SO3 groups? That is all with your O3 group. With this, the topic is over. now comes a question paper. A question paper will be given containing all the long answer type questions. A question paper containing all the long answer type of questions are given. 10 questions I will give, and if you study all the 10 questions, you can answer the examination well. You can write the examination well if you answer the questions. 10 questions selected, and they are given here that we see in the next class. Thank you very much.